Hi my people, now welcome back to another video. If today na the first day you see my channel, you are highly welcome. My returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. So guys, today's video we will cook yummy and delicious corn moi moi. Yes, this now one of my favorites. It's so delicious, nutritious at the same time. So guys, if you want to know how to cook this delicious corn moi moi, then keep on watching. So guys, this now all the ingredients when I need. This now corn already washed. Then that na pepper, fresh pepper and onions. Then that na crayfish. So I don't wash everything. Then I just put them for my blender. Then I want blend, okay? So guys, may you not forget to subscribe. Or may you comment, may you like, may you share, okay? Yeah, I don't blend the pepper and the onions. Then I just put them for my rubber. Then I continue to the blend. Yeah, guys, this now one of my favorite, guys. This now one of my favorite. This meal is so delicious. Trust me, it's so yummy, guys. So this now seasoning, one seasoning cube, okay? So I want blend them together with corn inside this blender, okay? Yeah, so I want blender, then I can put it inside my blender, then I can blend. So this na crayfish, okay, already washed. Then I can put them inside the blender, then I can blend. Oh my god, guys, look at this corn. Guys, this corn is so yummy. This corn moi moi is so yummy and delicious, nutritious at the same time. Okay guys, trust me, try this meal. If you never eat am, make you try am, okay? So guys, yeah, I don't blend everything finish. So this now how it looks like, okay? This now the crayfish and the seasoning, maybe this one. So now I just pour am join the corn, just blend everything together. So for another pot, this now red oil. I can't bleach the red oil small. I just bleach am a little bit. After I don't bleach, then I can't put onions, okay? This now diced onions. Then I can't leave and make it fry for like 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, for 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, so after I don't fry finish, then I can't set them aside, leave and make it cool down. Then I can't come back to my corn again. Yeah, this now salt. I just put salt inside. Then this now mackerel fish, okay? Smoking mackerel fish, debone and wash. Then I can't put them inside. Then I can't stir everything together. So yeah, this now the oil and the pepper. When I remember, you don't cool down, and I can't pour them inside. Then I can't begin stir. Guys, at this point I can't find out say this rubber too small. Then I can't got to change to a bigger one so that I'll fit stir them very well. So that the ingredients, the oil and the pepper, like everything will marry each other well. Then I can't put them inside this rubber. Then I can't begin stir. I stir. Then I don't stir it, don't ready. I can't taste for seasoning, like everything just dey okay. Yeah, this now when I dey test them. I can't test everything, just dey okay. Then I can't stir a little bit, then begin put them inside this cup. Yeah, this now tomato cup, okay? Then I just begin put them inside. Guys, if you get that leaf, you know that leaf now wey dey take tie rice, you fit use them. So where they leave, I no see am buy, so I got to use wetin I get for house. Then I just come put am inside the cup. Guys, if you don't watch me up to this time and you never subscribe, wetin you still dey wait for? Make you join this family. Una help my ministry to grow now. Make una subscribe, like, comment and share. I'm gonna make sure so una dey watch my video from the beginning to the end. Abeg, that's another way to support me. Una dey watch am from the beginning to the end. Abeg, I take go beg una. So I can put am inside the cup. Yeah, this na the, I think the second to the last batch. I just put am inside. Oh my god, at this point, guys, this corn moi moi dey scent like everywhere. They scent. My neighbor said don't know say I dey cook corn moi moi. Everywhere they scent, guys, everywhere they scent. So this not the last one. I dey like this small cup. So this now the last one. Then I can put am inside the cup. Oh my god, guys, I cannot wait to eat this food. I cannot wait. So after I don't put am for the cup, then I can transfer to the pot. Yes, I put small water for the for inside the pot. I can leave and make it boil. Then before I can begin put the corn moi moi inside. Guys, check out this corn moi moi. Then I can cover and make it cook. Voila, I can cover and make it cook. So this now after like 20 minutes. Yeah, after 20 minutes they can come back to check on our corn. Guys, look at this corn. You don't almost be ready. Then I can't taste time. Yeah, voila, our corn moi moi is ready. Yeah, this is the final look of the corn moi moi. This is the final look, guys. Check out this corn moi moi. It tastes so good, tastes so yummy, tastes so delicious at the same time. Yeah, so guys, hope so now enjoy this video. If you do, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment and share. I beg make una dey share my video, share to friends and family. Okay, yeah, I just dey test the corn moi moi. In fact, this will be testify that they eat am. So guys, I'll see you again for my next one. Bye.